What's up, beautiful people on the internet? Now let's talk about the Xvx MK61 60% Izakaya theme mechanical keyboard. From the theme itself, the Japanese word Izakaya is made up of 3 kanji with the meaning stay, drink, place. In Japan, izakayas are everywhere. It's a spot to grab a drink, settle in, and get comfortable. Just by looking at this 60% space-saving gaming keyboard with its unique Xvx profile, PBT keycaps, and theme shell, the theme Izakaya sounds just about right, showing its fine art in 360 degrees dedicated for first-person shooter gamers and efficient workers. If you're looking for an ultra-compact, rechargeable, space-saving, and portable mechanical gaming keyboard at an affordable price, the Xvx MK61 is the best for you. With 61 keys, this mini 60% keyboard will surely allow you to be satisfied at how much space you'll be able to save. With its 60% form factor, this keyboard has a perfect size, built to be easily carried around for travel and perfect for home, gaming, work, and on the go. With 2.4 GHz wireless and USB Wired 2 modes connection, the keyboard works up to 10 meters, which allows you to sit on the couch comfortably and use the keyboard in a large room. The built-in rechargeable 1850 mAh battery allows the wireless keyboard to last longer than 10 hours of continuous use, with the dongle cleverly mounted underneath so it doesn't get lost and it never gets in the way. Longer working distances makes using this keyboard more enjoyable and trouble-free. Laying back while typing is great because the Xvx MK61 Izakaya theme mechanical keyboard has a wide range of compatibility. It can connect to your PC, iPad, tablet, and even your Xbox and PlayStation, allowing you to chat with your friends while playing multiplayer games. If you're thinking about getting one, I've added a link in the description below so you can check it out later. The switches themselves are hot swappable Gateron yellow switches, which is a decent switch option for those who like linear switches for mechanical keyboards. When it comes to the push feel of these switches, this is perhaps the main reason why Gateron yellow switches have been so popular with the community for so long. Gateron yellows are very consistent and have a very linear feel to them. There are no changes in force or jumps in the stroke because of poor lubrication at the factory. The bottom out of these switches is also solid and firm, not hollow or plasticky like many of its cheaper counterparts. They also have a spring weight that bottoms out around 50 grams of force. It's a very smooth, quiet, vertical pressing sensation with no clicky feel. Good for working in the office, long-term typing, and especially for those ultimate hardcore gaming experiences. This keyboard also has an N key rollover, which enables you to execute multiple commands at a single time, ensuring every keystroke of the most used keys is registered, helping you enjoy the advanced gaming experience. The keycaps are precision engineered, offering a crystal clear uniform backlighting and lettering that will not scratch off, making sure that the letters are always on the keycaps for a very long time. The keycaps are very durable and will not rub off with constant use. Believe me, I put it through the test and everything still looks great. You can also switch the keycaps out with something else you like, but I think these ones are perfectly designed for the keyboard though. They're unique looking and they go nicely with the design of the acrylic board. The Xvx MK61 also has up to 19 LED preset backlighting modes, which you can easily switch by pressing FN plus the backslash keys. This offers a variety of different aura and experience every time you use the keyboard. With 9 color selections and 4 brightness levels that are also fully adjustable, you can customize the keyboard up to your liking. You can choose to increase and decrease the brightness and speed, as well as the lightning colors, and lighting dynamic direction, whichever you prefer. This keyboard also offers a pro software allowing you to expand your options using the available software to design your own new modes, effects, and even macros with different key bindings or shortcuts for more efficient work in gaming. You can just easily go to www.xvxchannel.com and download the software from there. This macro software is only available for Windows PC at the time. The software can be only used in wired mode with the power switch in off position. All in all, looking at other keyboards online, I found that this has a very reasonable price. The aesthetic brings everything together. With the unique artwork covering the entire keyboard, it's indeed pleasing to the eyes. Nonetheless, it's not just its appearance that makes this keyboard amazing, its customizability and functionality makes it the best choice for someone looking for a space-saving and durable mechanical keyboard that will surely stand the test of time. Most keyboard enthusiasts like myself are always looking for keyboards not just with a pleasing appearance, but one that is also affordable, customizable, and durable, and the Xvx MK61 does its job nicely. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful if you're looking into getting a new mechanical gaming keyboard. Let us know your favorite thing about this keyboard in the comment section below. Now go ahead and give that link in the description a look. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another awesome video. Now go ahead and give that link in the description a look. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another awesome video.